What happened? Your ball went in the puddle, and then what did you do? You're determined to do this, aren't you? You're gonna fall again. It's not chocolate, it's mud. It's mud.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're falling in mud? Woo!
I'm falling in mud again.
It's
It's really good.
good?
Yeah. I'm falling in mud. In my body.
Your body's got mud? Are you taking a mud bath?
I'm getting a butt. Bouncing on my butt.
Bouncing on your butt? Is it wet? You're gonna fall over.
I fall over. There's a skateboard.
It's not a skateboard. That was a faker fall.